This is what it looks like. Okay, we're both trying too hard.
What is up, guys? I hope you are all doing fantastically. Today we have a bit of a special video, and I think you guys are really going to enjoy it because we're going to be trying to make my 2001 Toyota Tacoma look like it is brand new, just rolled off the showroom yesterday. Now, obviously, it's not going to look exactly like it did when it was brand new, but I think we're going to get it pretty close, and I think you're going to enjoy watching this video and seeing how I did it. We're going to be starting off today's video by cleaning out the interior. Basically, what we're going to do is we're going to vacuum these floor mats, vacuum up all the carpet underneath. There's quite a bit of dirt that's accumulated. Just try and make it look like it hasn't been used at all and that you just bought the vehicle. Obviously, we can't really fix the fact that the mats are a little threadbare, but we can do our best. The seats are pretty good. We're not going to be doing anything with those other than vacuuming them. With all the plastic trim, the stuff on the shifter, basically all the plastic in the vehicle, as well as like the seat belts, buckles, and all this, we're just going to be giving that a nice, good plastic conditioning. We're going to clean all of the transparent surfaces and make sure that they are crystal clear. If I could, I would retouch the paint there on that sensor, but I don't think we're going to do that. I don't really know how I would. And then in the back seat, we're just going to be vacuuming it, cleaning it up, and cleaning all the plastic, getting all the dust off, and just in general making it look as nice as we possibly can. So let's get into making this thing look like it just came off the showroom. Stay tuned, guys, and find out how I do this so that you can do it to your vehicle as well. And to start off, we're going to be using my shop vac right here. It's nice and portable, has a nice long hose, and that is, with this extension here, we're going to be cleaning out the carpets, and that's going to get a really, really, really good job done with making those look new. What I'm going to do to get the interior nice and shiny and new looking again is I'm going to use some of these protecting wipes, and I'm just basically going to wipe down all the hard plastic surfaces on the vehicle. Let's get into it. For the interior of the windows, all that I'm going to be using is vinegar in a bottle and some paper towels. Once I do it initially with the paper towels, because paper towels can leave behind some specks, I'll go over it again with a dry one to make sure that we get all of that off. But that's all you really need to do. It works great.
What's up, guys? It's like 3 weeks since I recorded that last segment where I detailed the inside of my truck, but it's still looking pretty clean. But today, we're going to be doing a little bit more. Basically, just so that we show that this video doesn't just apply to vehicles that are in excellent condition to start with, we're going to be doing our best to help my friend's 2003 Honda Pilot look its best today as well. But let me show you a little something.
48 degrees. And we're watching cars. You feel me? We're out here.
Yeah.
Cars.
We're just gonna send it. So let's get going. What do you want to say about your car?
Well, it's 2003. We got it pretty cheap. Bad transmission. Rebuilt the transmission. Now it runs pretty good, but it's pretty dirty. Obviously, look at all this dirt.
Look around. Paint is not looking the happiest. That's okay.
I kind of want to repaint it.
We'll get it as glossy as we can.
The wheels look nasty too, like the rims. Like
we'll clean those up too.
I should plastic dip them right.
Pilot, I don't know if you want to go there, but
I could, right?
you could. back actually does not look bad.
Yeah, we still have like this stuff on here. The pilot thing came off when we were pushing it on the trailer.
Oh no. Okay. Whew. That breeze is chilly. Our hands are gonna freeze. That's okay. Inside.
Inside?
What do you want to say about inside?
I don't know. I mean, it's pretty dirty right now. I have like the cover off down there. We were fixing some steering problems, so we had to.
Ah, that's okay.
I mean, the back is like still like pretty dirty, but like it's all right.
We'll get her cleaned up. She's gonna shine. It's so good. It's all
My
good.
vents are broken right there too. I have to fix the vents. This was a mom car, so it's pretty dirty and pretty nasty, but it's okay.
All right, let's do it, guys. In the hopes of it warming up, though, we are going to start on the interior of his car, just so we don't like freeze our hands off immediately and then have cold hands for the rest of the day. So let's go. While he's vacuuming, I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning off the plastics and kind of making them look a lot nicer. So she's actually looking a lot better. We just haven't really gotten down in here yet. This is what it looks like when you just don't take care of your car at all. Reese,
That's a lot of that stuff out of there too. Like we like soaked that stuff in cleaner and like we got like knives and stuff and like picked it out. So that's like really clean for what it was, but that's still like disgusting. And then look on these like side compartment things right there too. Like those need to get vacuumed out. You probably can't see it on the camera.
yeah,
It's
it's
a
a bit
hard
of a
angle,
funny
but-
angle.
It's nasty in there. And all the cup holders too, like spread out throughout the car, like really disgusting. So that's what happens when you don't care about your car. Care about your car, guys.
Take care of your car. Change your oil too.
Yeah, this person did not change their oil like at all. It's like when we were doing the transmission, we drained the oil, and like it was like so little oil, it like dripped out. Like we took the bolt off, you know, the plug, and it just dripped out. We were like, oh my god.
That was the engine oil too.
Yeah, engine oil.
The transmission oil was another
transmission
story.
stuff. Yeah, transmission was just like burnt, nasty, low stuff. Like change your ATF. Is that what it's called?
ATF.
ATF. Change your ATF, your engine oil. Take care of your car, guys, and your car will take care of you.
Follow your owner's manual.
Yes.
Okay, guys. So we got the Pilot inside all cleaned up, polished up. It's looking pretty good comparatively to how it was before. But along the way, we sucked up several items that the previous owner belonged to and found a really nice screwdriver and a couple of other sorted items. So let's go ahead and open up the vacuum and see just how much was in there. Some of those leaves might have been there before. But I mean, just look at all this. That's pretty disgusting. Look at the vacuum filter. Oh my gosh. We're getting ready to start on the exterior, restarting up his car, moving it over. It really starts really well, all things considered. It's had no oil change probably like never until he had it. It's a testament to Honda's engineering quality with their engines. Obviously, when you got it, it had a band transmission. Hondas don't get the best reputation with their transmissions, but it's working great now, so really no complaints we can have there. We're about to start washing it, getting it really nice looking. I'm going to do that with my truck as well. Thanks, Reese. Yeah. You sure you don't want to do that again?
No, I don't.
Okay. All right. So, guys, we've got our 2 buckets. You guys who've watched my How to Wash a Car Right video will know that when you're washing a car or truck, Reese, they can't see you. It is absolutely best to use 2 buckets. One for the actual soap and for getting more soap to put on the car, and one for rinsing the rag before you get more soap. That way, the dirt that comes off the car goes into the rinse bucket, and you don't keep just wiping dirt on and off. That's what helps cars look extra nice when you wash them. Let's fill these up. Let's put some soap in them, and let's get to washing this thing.
He goes like this. We're gonna do this, we're gonna do this, we're gonna do this. Car salesman.
All right. So guys, what we're doing right now is with all this dark black plastic trim, we're taking some Scotch-Brite's pads and scrubbing it basically to get some of this oxidation stuff that you see in there off. And then after we're done with all that, we're gonna take some black plastic polish and a rag, and we're going to just rub it in, buff it, make it look really, 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 really nice. Guys, we're all done with the Pilot. We didn't make it perfect. Some of the stuff that's just inherently not as good with the paint. Still a bit of weird splotchiness on this headlight, but if you guys look, it looks so much better than it did. I'm not bashing on Reese. It's the previous owner, not Reese, who took bad care of this thing. But she's gorgeous now. I mean, this headlight looks so much better than it did. That one is a big improvement. They were both pretty foggy before. Now they're a little tinted yellow, but on the whole, they're pretty clear. We took some Scotch-Brite and use it to kind of polish up this front trim. And I think it looks dramatically improved. What do you think about this?
It looks pretty good. It looks a lot better than it did before. You know, that previous owner like did not care about it at all, but it's okay. There's like a fork under the seat. Like, what the heck? What the heck? There's a fork.
A brand new screwdriver was in there somehow. Yeah. Don't really know how that happened.
So that's in my tool cache now in the back of the car. Because I break down, I need something.
There we go. Let's get going on the exterior. So when I first got this truck, these fender flares were almost white. They were so oxidized. But with the Scotch-Brite pad, I managed to get them down to a nice shiny black, like you guys know them on this vehicle. However, they started to turn kind of a grayish color again. So I'm Scotch-Briting it in, but this time I'm going to use a black plastic polish. I'm going to show you that in a moment. And that is this, Magyar's Ultimate Black Plastic Restorer. And so basically after I Scotch-Brite them off, I'm going to go ahead and put some of this on, and hopefully it'll make them stay black and not turn gray again after only a couple months. Alrighty guys, so here's the end result. This is a 2001 truck, 18 years old, give or take because of the model year stuff, going on 20. And after the work that Reese and I did on it, it almost looks brand new. And as we saw with Reese's vehicle, some cars that have been taken a little, well, haven't been taken care of as well, might not look quite as good as this, but this is just stellar. Inside, it's clean. Disregard.
It's locked.
I locked it. That's funny. It's clean inside, it's clean outside, and it just looks gorgeous. So I'm gonna throw together a little edit of all the cool stuff that we did with these two cars, and then that's gonna be it for this video. So thank you guys so much for watching this. I hope it kind of helps you guys understand more about the process of detailing a vehicle, and maybe it'll inspire you to go out there to your car and make it look almost new, just like we did with our vehicles today. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you have any questions for me, leave them down in the comment section. Any ideas for other videos in the future. And please go ahead, leave a like, subscribe to my channel for more awesome content like this from a young car enthusiast. And share this video with all your friends so that they can see how awesome their car could look with just a little TLC. Peace out, guys.
This is dog feces. Hopefully this makes the blooper slide.